Hello, my name is Ed Kang, creator of MDNA. In this video, I will quickly overview what you or your employees can expect when taking an MDNA Cloud assessment. MDNA Cloud is an employee engagement and analytics platform that helps companies measure and manage their culture. If you haven't already, please watch the video titled, "What is MDNA Cloud?" for more information. MDNA Cloud deploys two types of assessments. Part 1, which is a basic assessment, and Part 2, which is a premium assessment. You'll be invited to start your MDNA assessment via email with a unique link. Part 1, the basic MDNA assessment, can be best described as a personality test for intrinsic motivation. It is based upon the social science of how we are designed to express our purpose, passions, and potential for professional success and personal fulfillment. Part 1 is 91 questions and takes between 15 to 30 minutes. Once complete, you will receive your results immediately. And by the way, each question is multiple choice. MDNA is made up of 7 gifts based upon the social science of intrinsic motivation. By identifying your top 2 of the 7 gifts, there are 42 different possible profiles which make up what is called your intrinsic motivational design. For more information on this, please watch our video, What is MDNA? Part 2, the premium MDNA assessment, goes deeper into your culture and has 4 subcategories. They are called Confidence and Change Index, Self-Determination Index, Social Engagement Index, and Final Comments on Culture. Part 2 requires anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. The confidence and change questions determine how confident you feel in regards to potential change within your organization. There are 5 confidence and change index questions that can be answered on a scale of 1 to 7. These questions cover awareness, desire, knowledge, application, and reinforcement when it comes to how confident you feel about change within your team or organization. Next, after the CCI questions, there are 3 self-determination index questions. These are also answered on a scale of 1 to 7. These questions assess how engaged and intrinsically motivated you are in the context of your current position and responsibilities. They cover mastery, potential areas of your role you want to get good at, freedom, how autonomous you feel in pursuing those areas of mastery, and purpose, how what you do at work relates to the rest of your life. After the SDI questions comes the Social Engagement Index. The first question is considered your internal SEI. This is how you believe you socially engage with your colleagues. You'll be asked to rate your engagement within the organization on a scale of 1 to 7. Each level has a description of the social engagement rating. MDNA Cloud can show you what each level means. Next is your external SEI. This is how your colleagues socially engage with you. Here, you will be able to select names of colleagues and rate the engagement of your relationship with them. You will also be able to indicate whether the relationship is improving, staying the same, or deteriorating. The point of the Social Engagement Index is not to provide constructive feedback to colleagues. Although 360-degree feedback can be a part of MDNA, it is actually designed to identify your social graph. Helping you optimize meaningful relationships at work through a tool like the social graph is extremely important to a strong culture. The last thing we ask you to do is provide final comments and opinions. This is so you can provide any feedback you think would be helpful to the whole process. I'm sure you're wondering what happens to all this assessment data. Everything is processed by MDNA Cloud and then visualized on what is called a culture graph. It's actually pretty cool. This culture graph allows our certified providers and managing leadership to measure and manage your culture. MDNA Cloud provides the analytics for key decision making to foster a culture of positive transformation. This is what a culture graph could look like. And that's it. This is what you can expect during an MDNA Cloud assessment. I hope this answered all your questions. Now, before I go, if you're a manager or leader asking your staff or team to join MDNA Cloud, it is always recommended that you take it first. This way you can answer any questions. My other recommendation is you really make sure everybody is properly prepared for MDNA. Sometimes employees can get a little nervous when taking any type of assessment. Therefore, it's important for managers and leaders to encourage the group and give permission for everybody to be just true to themselves. Finally, you need to be ready for the results. More often than not, if your people are honest, certain aspects of your culture will be revealed. There will be areas to celebrate and areas to improve. This is not something to be feared. In fact, it is the first step in developing a culture of positive transformation, which is why we created MDNA Cloud to begin with. If you need more information and advice on how to prepare your entire organization, feel free to ask us for help. Thank you for your time and interest in MDNA and MDNA Cloud.